Friends, running kimono here. We have 29-cent Gillette Labs razors and 29-cent Oreo cookies and a whole bunch of brown dot penny items with a story for you guys and some cheap paper as well. This is a fantastic midweek haul and I'm so hyper by it. I was out couponing for a thrilling 6 hours yesterday and I really found a bunch of cool stuff. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out and this video if you could just take a second and like this video. First piece of business for all the Walgreens shoppers, go to your digital coupons folder and load this guy right now. A 5 back when you spend 20 and this is online only. We will investigate this next week as it starts on the 7th. A lot of Walgreens stores in the summer aisle are restocking the Oreo Sour Patch cookies. They expire in September, but if you have a lot of kiddos, this might be something to pick up. They are 79 cents each, and it is the 10.68 ounce bags, so just under 11 ounces. We have an IVC coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon, giving you $1 off of the two. So just doing the math really quickly, if you can find two of them for $1.58, subtracting your IVC or the Walgreens coupon, it's 58 cents for the 2 bags or 29 cents per bag. I found 8 at this store, so I actually got $4 off with that Walgreens coupon. It just keeps adding, so you don't need to buy them in sets of 2. You can get like 8. If you even find 3, $1.50 should come off. So what a find. And I think they're just getting these back in stock. They were never programmed properly into the system at the beginning of summer, so they're following last year's clearance. So if you can find these, make this deal happen. 29 cents, that is a fantastic price point. So the Gillette Labs deal just got even sweeter. So I found one on clearance in the store yesterday. So definitely if you're in store, this is an in-store only deal. Definitely like tiptoe around that aisle and see if you can find any of these orange tags. This razor was $16, I think 99. And it's down to $11.29. And if you look in the back, the tag for a 5 back when you buy one of these is still there. So it's part of it. I actually flipped up the tag. And so here it is. $5 register reward when you buy one. We have a very generous coupon on this specific razor right now, which is a $6 off. So make sure you have that guy loaded. This is a very basic, easy deal. Here's my receipt. My razor at $11.29, subtracting my $6 coupon, $5.29. I used $5 in Walgreens cash and paid the 97 cents. And then I got back a $5 register reward. So not factoring in the tax at $5.29, basically this razor after that register reward is 29 cents. So I would absolutely try and if you're in store, try and find this because it's worth it. 29 cents for that razor. Practically giving it away. Between that and the cookies, I don't know what a better deal is. They're all super 29-cent deals and everything's 29 cents. That's the price. So I'm okay with that. The next deal we're going to talk about is the Dawn dish soap 4 for $10. These are the larger bottles. We haven't had a really good deal on Dawn dish soap. So if you use that $5 Gillette Lab register reward with this, use $5 in Walgreens cash and call that your Price is Right moment. $2.50 for these big mamas is super smart. Stock up because that is a great price for Dawn. Also in the clearance section, lots of Maybelline lip products. Clearance is always a your mileage may vary, but this is found at a lot of stores at $3.29. We have a $3 digital. Hey, 29 cents again. Why is everything 29 cents? I think somebody's programming it to be that way because I'm always seeing 29 cents. Is that weird? Many stores in the clearance section specifically, there's these larger bags of unisex underwear. And they are $4.79 from $18.99, which is a great price point. These are on a buy two, get one for free. So if you need to stock up, definitely look in the clearance section or in the adult incontinence section. The code for STARS 15, I believe that's going to be going on until July the 4th. I went and picked up my paper order yesterday using the booster of a 7 back when you spend 35. I'm just trying to get my paper back up in stock because I gave a lot away to family recently and I'm like, I don't have any paper towels. That's scary. So what I did was the deal that I presented, which was 6 toilet papers and 6 paper towels. And I went to the store right away to get it after they had my order ready to rock and roll because I didn't want to leave it in the store because that's a lot, like 12 things of paper. So 6 of each. And then I use the code STARS15. There's an extra S at the end of STARS, so just pay attention to that because star 15 doesn't work. And then another $1.50 off for each of those paper products. There's a Walgreens coupon. I showed it about 1,000 times in yesterday's video, but I utilize that. It's a $1.50 off Walgreens coupon, taking off 18 on the purchase of 12. $1.50 times 12. That's how. Show you the math real quick. My total was at 60, 24.36 coming off between the IVC and Stars 15. Free curbside pickup, tax $37.78 I had to pay with my debit card, and then I got back $10 in Walgreens cash. 27 and some change for 12 paper products. I'm cool with that. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash with this, as you're using the booster of spend 35, get back 7. These two stuffed animals wanted me to inform you that there is a $2 tear pad that's brand new, found in the deodorant aisle at selected Walgreens. Hopefully you have the same one. The expiry date is the end of the year, so for any deodorant deals that you want higher value coupons, definitely look for this tear pad, and hopefully nobody steals the whole thing. So there it is. Now we're going to jump into Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest only. There's no sister chain, Midwest only. You have it or you don't, so please look up Meijer. So the Kraft chunks of cheese are $2.99 and they're on a buy 5 save 5, so they'll be $1.99. You're going to grab 5 of them and you're going to pay $9.95. I got the mozzarella and I'm going to shred it in the future for pizza, because this is just a killer price point to pay 74 cents per brick, and they're pretty sizable. I think this has to do with the 4th. They just Kraft is offering very high rebates on IBOTTA, so that's why this is all transpiring. So back to the deal at Meijer, you're going to grab 5 of these for $9.95 after the buy 5 save 5. And then IBOTTA is giving back $1.25 for each, and this has reset for me now twice, so you'll get $6.25 back, making it $3.70 for the 5 chunks of cheese, or 74 cents per. And there's a good amount of cheese in these. I like to shred them because it's easier to freeze that way. But this is a great. The last 2 pieces of business is that in the travel section, there's $1.50 Banana Boat sunscreens, and this 3 off 2 is attaching, so it makes it a freebie over at Meijer. And then there's also a travel size Neutrogena. It's yellow. It's $2.25, so with this $2 coupon, it makes it a quarter. I know a lot of people have been scoring those. I have yet to get out to Meijer to even try these 2 because I've been so busy this week over at the Dollar General making some other deals happen. So let's dive right into the Dollar General right now. Would you guys even believe me if I told you that this entire haul of 12 items, I didn't even do it. Somebody just gave it to me in the store. Yeah. So Brown Dot hit a penny yesterday, which was Tuesday the 2nd. I ran into another penny shopper, a really kind lady. She's amazing. She finds stuff. She works really hard at these penny items to find them, and she just shared so willingly with me. And other than my mom, like, I've never met anybody that generous. Like, just a really kind heart, and she is just so nice. And if you ever have the opportunity to meet other penny shoppers, and if you are so lucky, like, I have no idea why she gave so generously to me, and it's not like I led with, oh, I'm on social media, da 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 da. Like, she just thinks I'm just a regular person. And even this weekly planner, I just think that a lot of people would never be so generous, but she has such a kind heart and spirit, and just really a super person. And yeah, I don't even have words. I was so grateful. And whenever I run into this lady, it's happened on a couple occasions. I usually find a bunch of pennies like an hour later, and the same thing happened yesterday. So I'm just going to show you some of the stuff she found along with some of the UPCs, and I am so grateful to her. I don't even know if she wants me to mention her on social media, so I'm going to be very sensitive to that, but I am just beyond grateful for this, and it's the gesture of her having such a kind heart that I'll never forget. And just a really special person, and very kind. So it's just unique when you do this, but there are some really cool people out there that penny shop, and I'm very blessed to have run into this lady yesterday because she was so kind to me. This little light says hello. She insisted I had it, or she insisted she gave it to me, and Yeah, it's really cute. So I have it in my office now. And then this wall art, she just found it out of the corner of her eye. So she is like a marine at finding these penny items, and it was just really trippy to spend an hour with her. And what a cool afternoon! And it was a lot of fun just to be around somebody who's such a skilled penny hunter. And I thank her. She so nice. So I was trying to do a bunch of 5 off 25s yesterday, and they're irrelevant now because the 5 off 25, it was like a Sunday to a Tuesday. It was a weird one, but I was doing that yesterday, but Tuesday's over, so it's Wednesday today. But I went to another store and I was just bumming around before I went home, and I actually found a bunch of wall art. Some of this was browned out, and some of this I think was part of like a list that Christy showed a while back of some weird like slot art that was really old and it all pennied out. And this one store, like, I found like 12 or 13 items. So like I was saying earlier, like whenever I run into like the super penny shopper, I always find like stuff. I'm just like, I don't really understand. But some of this I remembered from other people's hauls that I've been looking at, but I really didn't find a whole bunch of wall art. Like I found maybe two pieces, and then I just found a ton. So a lot of this has the word slot and there's different dates on it. And that's how I just opened up the Dollar General app and scanned. And then I found, I think, four of these mirrors in black and white, and they're super cute. My husband doesn't like anything with writing on it, but this sort of stuff perhaps we're going to use to decorate one wall that's quite bare in our house. But for a penny, I mean, even if you wanted to gift this or donate it, definitely people like it. And it's cute stuff too, like this little bathtub that says relax. I like anything in the laundry room specifically. Like that's probably the room that I like to decorate because I think it's cute stuff. But I found all of these at an NCI store where they have like all of the frames and stuff, like that area, and I just had to keep digging. And this got lost in this sauce. This is a brown dot, and I thought this was really cute too. Just a little chalkboard where you write your Wi-Fi password. And here's the brown dot. And I keep talking about brown dot. You're looking for items specifically with that brown dot. And there are many to be found peppered in everything because that lady friend of mine found a ton on Tuesday morning and she was out really hitting it hard. I think these are very old items and they're just to put in your bathroom or in the laundry room, and they were $6 a piece and now a penny, and you can't beat that price. Be kind to other shoppers out there, guys. If you could take a page out of that lady's book that I met, she led with kindness, and I was just so moved by it, and then just found all this stuff, and I'm probably going to give a bunch of this away too to family and friends, and it's a really cool feeling when you can do that. And sometimes being nice to other shoppers, it can pay back tenfold. It absolutely always does. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.